Hello students, in today's video lecture we will consider one more exercise which you could see on the screen with all the dimensions. Again same question arises, which is the best way to start with to complete the component. Now here the top view is best way, because when you draw the complete out and out boundary it is not going to affect any other features. So here the size is 50 mm by 50 mm. As we are considering the top view, let us consider top plane followed by sketcher. Let us take a box of 50 by 50 size, define it. This is 50 mm. The other side is also 50. Alright, now it got extruded till a distance of 20 mm here, that you could see in the front view exit. Let us extrude up to a distance of 20. Done, completed. Now again check out your sketch given. There is one material removal followed by a fillet is there. That fillet you can add up when you are drawing actual sketch also. That we can do just by going to extrusion, click on the arrow, right click on the sketch edit, try to keep your sketch in normal mode and try to take a fillet. Let us check the fillet radius, which is of 10. By default it is 10 only. Here you have a click. Now same going to reflect in the last step. Okay, so with this what we could do is we can avoid one more step in the command tree. Fine. Other than this, there is one cross section drawn and built. For that what we do is select back face, sketcher, rotate the component to back and select your front as the normal plane, so that it becomes easy for you to draw by using a line. Now let us draw sketch irrespective of dimensions. Don't give dimension initially. That is the flexibility we have with the software. Now this is how the shape look like. This is the shape. 20 mm, 20 mm and 10 mm is the height. Let us define this. This distance is 20. This distance is also maintaining 20, and this is maintaining 10. Fine, just I'll drag it up. Fine, let us escape once, because I have to specify this distance first, so I'll just drag it up and give this distance also. Let us escape once again and consider smart dimension for this. This is also 10. Okay, you can cross check with the sketch given. This is maintaining 10, this is also maintaining 10. So we got the actual profile, and material addition is up to 10 mm, which you could see in the top view. That 10 mm we can give when we actually exit the sketch mode, move on to extrusion feature. Change the direction followed by this is the material addition dimension 10 mm. Done. The component is ready now. Followed by one more rib is added here. For that rib we have seen already in the previous lectures or exercises, that rib is already predefined in the software. Collect that one, select this as the sketch plane, keep the component in normal mode, consider a line starting. Just have a look at the starting point. It is again starting at the top corner, ending up at the bottom corner. Fine, this is done. Once this is completed, exit sketch mode, go to extrude. No need to go to extrude now, we are in the rib option. I made a mistake, so it is okay. Fine. Now you just show the direction followed by, okay, this is how I want to add a material. Direction is also fine, arrowhead is also heading to the material. I'll just say okay. This is how we need to create. Just keep the component in isometric view so that you'll have a better visual effect. Fine. Followed by, on the top surface we need to remove some material. Just place the component somewhere roughly and try to define the component. The diameter of the that particular sketch is 20, and it is maintaining 20 from both horizontal and vertical edges. Let us fix the diameter first. Okay, Now have a look at. Now this diameter 20 is maintaining 20 mm from the horizontal, from here to the center. Oh sorry, no, maybe not this one. Control Z. This is again going to be 20. Okay, again cross check it once. 20 is from, okay fine, with the this 20 is with the vertical. Let us consider smart dimension, and this one followed by this edge. Have a look, this is 20 mm. Similarly other one is also 20, this one is also maintaining 20 mm distance from here to this end, this side. This is also 20. Now it is fully defined. Now you can exit from sketch mode, go to extrude cut and remove it up to a depth of 20 mm, complete depth of 20, because you could see both the hidden lines passing from top to bottom. So it does mean that it is having a depth through hole as the dimension. Just keep the component in an isometric view so that you will understand. Okay, this is how we will develop the component. There are many ways to develop. Actually I am showing you the best possible way. If you could understand this, other steps or other methods you can easily make by your own. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the link to others just to make aware of this particular software. Thank you for now.